Hey guys, how are we doing? So today I'm fishing in a very deep spot. It's about 160 meters deep, and guess what I'm gonna catch? This is the fish that not so many people are targeting. So the spot is located in a canal between Awaji Island and Wakayama, and it takes about 15 minutes from this marina. So let's get started. Now the water depth is about 150 here. Good signal actually. Okay, now at the bottom. ーチ来たね。フーチ。フーチ来ました。よいしょ。Oh, oh. Robin fish. See it's called? Robin fish. Okay, so this is the one that I wanted. So let's cook it up. So this time I'm gonna butterfly it and dry it overnight. I should have done it in advance. Salted. So this one can absorb the water from the fish. And put it in the fridge and make it sit in the fridge overnight. And this is another fish I brought back. This one got really beautiful fins here. See, it's called hobo in English, robin fish or something. Okay. This one go to soup.レン宿題じゃない。宿題じゃないんや。宿題やって遊びに行ったらいい。外。Take out the ribbons. Dore? これ食べる？うん。うん。何で食べる？刺身がいい。刺身がいい？ OK。じゃあこれを刺身にします。 ちょっと醤油つけて食べる
13、11。
はい。
13、12、11。
はい、
おい！もうなんかってる。
Alright, so now the fish is ready to be grilled. So what I did to this fish is butterflying it, and I sprinkled some salt on it and wrapped in a dehydrated paper, plastic paper, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. So it's on the next day. The meat is the perfect condition to be grilled. So you can feel it. If you touch it, the meat sticks to your finger. Okay, so the meat is firm. It's like half raw and half dried. So it's like whole flavor of the fish has been concentrated, and it tastes richer and it's soft but firm to be grilled. So now I'm gonna prepare some charcoal to grill it. Actually, this is the secret fire starter. I wrapped some sugar with the kitchen paper. So put it in here. And oil it. And so sugar can be a good fire starter because the sugar burns a pretty long period of time. The charcoal hasn't prepared yet, but I can't wait. It should be enough. Maybe. So it was very soft and tender and has rich flavor. I didn't add any seasoning this time, but actually didn't need any. It's pretty satisfying with only salt and its natural flavor of fish. Yummy!